When the mark of godliness appears on your house, the foundations of your life begin to crack. The mark of godliness ruins you, shows that you are no different from the rest. Your entanglement with the mark of godliness does not give you hope, but it protects you from the noose of motherly affection. The mark of godliness, it doesn't guarantee you anything, but it does protect you from lies. The mark of godliness shatters the web of illusion, and this entire world falls apart. Look, God has seized his rightful place. Tuka's form bears all the marks of the Lord. देवाची ते खून आला ज्याच्या घरा, त्याच्या पडे चिरा मनुष्यपणा. देवाची ते खून करावे वाटोळे, आपणा वेगळे कोणी नाही. देवाची ते खून गुंतोनेदी आशा, ममतेच्या पाशा शिवोनेदी. देवाची ते खून गुंतोनेदी वाचा, लागो असत्याचे मळनेदी. देवाची ते खून तोडी माया जाळ, आणि हे सकळ जगहरी. पहा देवे तेची बळकविले स्थळ, तुक्यापे सकळ चिन्हे होती.